Makes my life a little easier. Back up to it. All right. Got a couple more LTZ 250s here. There'll be another one in this video as well. As you can see, this one's dripping some gasoline. Easy. We've got a slippy clutch. This one dripped its gasoline as well, it seems. So we're both going to need the carburetors cleaned. Usually a good way to know if the inside of your carb may be dirty, besides your carb dripping, is take a look on the outside. You know, when they look like this, they pretty dirty. That's not the big issue we're having. Both these start and run, maybe not now because they're probably flooded. Oh, starts right up. Probably out of gas though. This one, same thing, should start right up. Me and Parker rode him down the road yesterday. Every time I goose this one, the old clutch slips real bad. And a lot of people to say that's semi-automatic, it don't got no clutch, but it does have a clutch and it's semi-automatic. And we can go ahead and get up in here and adjust it, and I'll show you how. Most, you know, a regular four-wheeler, you adjust the clutch up here or on the basket. This thing, we got us a little, there's your clutch cover over here. And we're gonna get up in there and adjust this bad boy. So let's see what we got. And then, if I get them running proper, this one has a little bit of an oil leak too, but I think it's a crankcase pressure leak due to gas in the bottom end. So we'll find that out as well. I'm gonna show you guys this clutch issue the best way that I can here. Check out the back tires and listen to the engine noise. This here burnout is actually for educational purposes. This is what you're supposed to get. I'll go into second gear. First gear, second. Oh, now we're a little sideways. The point being made on that video is when I rev up the engine, the back tires spin at the same pace as the engine. Check this one out. Something tells me I'm gonna put it in second gear and the engine's gonna rev up, but the tires are hardly gonna spin. Maybe not, I don't know. First gear, second gear. You hear the engine? That's a slippy clutch. It actually tried to spin the tires the second time, but it's because I got the one in this wet stuff over here. So we're gonna get up in there on this clutch adjustment, see if we can fix that. Pretty simple procedure. Get the right size Allen. Use this baby impact, should be okay. Pull this cap. Alrighty. Oh, schwack, right there. You're gonna need Phillips, and it's nicer on the pit bikes and stuff because this nut's out there where we can get to it easier. Let me see. I can get to it with this wrench when I'm done. Yeah. All right. So all you do, I took my 12, loosened this clutch nut. As you can see, the lock nut on there, loosened it. You're gonna take your Phillips. There's another way you can do this with the engine running, but I'm gonna try and do it off a feel at first. Tighten this bad boy down until she stops. Then you back her out. That's a turn. That's a quarter turn. So I put my lock nut back on. Hopefully this sucker don't just take off whenever I kick it into gear. We may do it with it running. Now it's slipping worse. So we're actually gonna do it with it running. So we're gonna do it different this time. We're gonna start it, we're gonna put it in gear, then we're gonna adjust the clutch, so it may get a little oily over there, but first gear, we're gonna adjust it until it tries to pull forward. Bitch. Dang. I'm gonna turn the idle up a hair. You can hear it, Ryan? We're gonna adjust this. This thing has some crankcase pressure going on until it stops, and then back it out. I gotta turn that idle up some more. This one's done and running great. The other one, I got the clutch working better, but I need to change the oil because I have a feeling with that oil leak they've been adding random oil to her, and it may be contributing to the clutch slipping a little bit. As it's a lot better now, but honestly, it still slips a little. So I'm out riding this one around a little, making sure she's good to go. Look at that, I was able to hit her one-handed. That's pretty good. I don't want to get all out of shape out here. Oh, spidey webs. Freaking hawk with a snake in its mouth. Yeah, I seen that out here one day. She's good. I don't think she's good. Let's see if she's good. One-hander. I thought that was it for me. All the light flashed before my eyes. Sit here. Level type shit. So, this one's done. That one I'm gonna go through the carburetor on and adjust that clutch a little more tomorrow. Change the oil. And there was one other thing I was gonna do to it. Oh, it's got some crankcase pressure. So I don't know if it's from the carb leaking in there. Hopefully. Or maybe the tube on the vents clogged, or the air box. Maybe there's something in there in the air box where that tube goes to the crankcase. But I'll figure it out tomorrow. We got the clutch all adjusted. Keep this. She's adjusted. Oh yeah. We just had to let all the oil out of it. Once there's no more oil left, the clutch really started grabbing good. It's like this. There's too much oil, you know. We haven't fixed that oil leak yet, but you know, it's a Suzuki.
Just top her off.
Yeah, once she runs out, then we'll worry. LTZ 500 Suzuki Subaru Quadzilla 3-wheeler.
Oh shit.
I saved that shit. Y'all said you wanted to see me scrape it. That must have been where the baffle come off. The baffle used to stick out a little bit, so we got rid of it. Look at baffle. Second gear pop up. Alright, y'all ready to lap? Full blown hole shot.
Oh yeah.
Killed that shit. Nailed it. Hey, it's semi-auto. That might be a rev limiter, bro. Oh yeah, it needs some bald tires. Running out of room, guys. I got a bunch of Christmas inventory in that shed over there. Nice Scrambler 400, 300DX over there. A couple blasters outside. Run out of room. There's a sweet LTZ video. They're both done. I just went and rode that at Orion's for a couple hours. The little quad rips. Tri-Z 700. Raptor Tri-Z right there. Just begun. Full commitment. Chopped her up. And I told you I wasn't going to use that frame. So that motor's getting rebuilt. This Raptor motor. The Raptor motor's going in this Tri-Z. With that swing arm. BW Banshee, I got the pipes done. I just got to grind off my shit welds. And should be reinstalling them. Hopefully giving it a little ride tomorrow for the Cowboys game. I also got my new fuel tank. So I don't have that hideous cover on there. Get up in there, dudes. Lots more videos coming.